Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for June 2018. I've been getting some random questions about like the weight, the dimensions, the variation that I get, so I'll put all of that information at the top of the description box below for any of you guys that ask me about that. But if you guys are new to these videos, Boxycharm is a $21 a month beauty subscription service. So if you sign up, you get a box delivered to your door with 4 to 5 full-size products in it every single month, and the value of the actual box is usually over $100. So it's just a fun way to try some products for kind of like a discounted price because you do get full-size products, but you're only spending $21 a month. If you guys like what you see in this box, you can sign up and get the June box as your first box because there hasn't been a wait list for a few months, which is awesome. So I'll link their website in the description box below, but otherwise, let's jump into it. So I kind of cheated this month. I usually unbox everything with you guys on camera, but a few of you guys told me they were going to include this palette like weeks ago, and then I saw them post a spoiler on their Instagram page the other day saying this palette was going to be included, and I was so excited because honestly I would have purchased the palette because I was interested in it, and then I heard it was going to be in the boxes, so I decided to hold off, and I'm glad I did because they included the Alamar Cosmetics palette in the boxes this month. Forgive me if I mess up the pronunciation of the palette or the names. I actually used to speak Spanish fairly well because I took Spanish in high school and college. I'm part Puerto Rican, but honestly I lost it a little bit because I just haven't been keeping up with it, and it's one of my goals to become like fluent in Spanish, so I'm slowly working on it. I need to dedicate more time to it, but I was so excited about this palette because Gabby actually is part of the Boxycharm team, and she is a makeup artist. She does a lot of the looks that you see on their social media. She does a lot of looks for Kathleen Lights, and she is insanely talented and beautiful, and I don't know, I feel like I really like her, and I just was so excited when I saw she was coming out with a makeup line because I really think she creates so many beautiful looks, and this palette is insanely beautiful. I just can't wait to play around with it even more. I only used 2 of the shadows today because I did a pretty simple eye look. I used this blue all over the lid and then into the crease, and then I used La Costa in the inner corner as like a highlight, and then I think I used like a light brown just to kind of blend everything together, and I wish I could give you guys like a full review, but at the same time, like, I'm just excited to play around with it a little bit more. The metallic shadows are rich and creamy. They go on great with your finger, great with a brush, and there's very, very minimal fallout, which is great when the shadow is so bold like this blue one. I don't know, I think that the $28 price tag seems to be a really good price tag for this palette. A lot of new brands release eyeshadow palettes at like almost $50, which is crazy, but if you're interested in this palette, you can pay $21, get Boxycharm with free shipping, and get all of the other products inside with this palette. So you're really saving money if you were interested in it in the first place, and I don't know, I'm just so excited about this palette. It just screams like summer to me, and I can't wait to play around with it even more. Okay, the next product in here is from Luxie, and I think I saw a spoiler for this as well. I saw a bunch of spoilers this month. I feel like they were releasing them like crazy on Instagram, but this is a brush trio, and I love Luxie brushes. My collection's actually kind of extensive. I was really surprised. The other day I was going through and like collecting all of my Luxie brushes, and I probably have like 15 of them, and I've never purchased one from the website. I've only gotten them in like Ipsy or Boxycharm, and I just think their brushes are amazing quality. So this one is the 522 tapered highlighter brush, which looks like it will apply highlighter perfectly to the cheekbones. The next one is the 516 duo fiber powder brush, and this one's kind of tapered, so I feel like it would apply maybe contour perfectly, especially if you are into cream contouring, but it should work with powder as well. And then we have the 660 precision foundation brush. This one is pretty fluffy. I don't know if I would personally use it as a foundation brush. I might more so use it maybe as a contour brush, maybe as a highlight brush, or to brush away loose powder. But honestly, like, they give you a suggestion, most brushes, for how you can use them, but you can use them in whatever way you see fit. So I personally love the Luxie brushes. I can't wait to use them, and I'm really happy they included them. The next thing in here comes in this little white box. It's by the brand Battington Lashes. I always talk about how I haven't really worn false lashes and I don't miss them. I feel like I'm starting to miss them. Like, I did this look today and I felt like it would have looked perfect with false lashes, but I'm kind of nervous to use them now because when I was using them fairly often, they damaged my lashes, and now I'm like too scared to go back to using them. These are their Monroe 3D silk lashes. They look really beautiful. Like, they look fluffy and wispy, but they look like they would add a good amount of drama to the eyes without being too intense or too crazy. I just feel like once I start again, I'm going to get addicted just because false lashes are so beautiful. They make any eye look instantly like amped up, so I don't know. Okay, the next thing in here is by Sol de Janeiro, and it is their famous Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. I think that's the official pronunciation. I don't think that I've actually tried this product, although I feel like I got a sample, but I don't remember if I passed it along or if I ended up using it. Oh wait, it smells really good, but it smells really familiar. So maybe I have tried it. I don't know. I feel like I try so many products that it's hard to keep them all straight. I feel like when I watch videos, the general consensus is that this product doesn't necessarily tighten and smooth like it claims to do, but it does hydrate and it smells really good. So people tend to enjoy it anyways. And it smells really good. It kind of smells summery and beachy to me. So I personally will definitely use it. I think this is like the perfect size to bring with me when I travel. And it's just really cute. So I can't wait to try it out. There's actually 2 more products in here. They must have given us 6 products this month because I think this is technically a sample. I think usually the full size comes in like a really large jar, which obviously wouldn't fit in the box. So sometimes they include 6 products as if one of them is like a sample size. Okay, so this is an eyeliner pencil by the brand Jonteblu, and it's in the shade Dark Brown. I actually got a lip liner from this brand, I think in a Boxycharm a few months ago. I didn't actually end up using it just because I am completely set with eyeliners and lip liners. I have so many in my collection at this point that I don't really try out a lot of them unless it's like a brand that I love, like ColourPop or Urban Decay. So I'll probably just end up passing this along to a sister or my mom. Okay, and there's one more product in here by the brand Ofra. This is a really gorgeous color. This is the color Verona, and it is their long-lasting liquid lipstick. I feel like I have a couple of Ofra lipsticks, but I don't know if I've ever given them a fair shot. My liquid lipstick drawer is out of control. Just like thinking about decluttering it stresses me out because I don't even know how I'll possibly like begin to swatch things and go through it and film it for you guys. So I've been like avoiding it. I feel like I really need to give it a fair shot, and this color is gorgeous. It definitely is a shade that I will wear. It will go so well with the eyeshadow palette, and I'm excited we got this. I think it's really fun. So that's everything I got inside my Boxycharm this month. I'm so excited about it. It's like over here on like a pile of junk because I have to film another video after this, so I'm just like staring at it, but I feel like it was a good month. I'm really excited about the eyeshadow palette, the lipstick, and then also the brushes. I feel like those products alone totally made the box for me, and I would be happy if we just got those. But I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, and if you get a chance to try out the palette, let me know what you think because I would love to hear your thoughts. I'll include a full review in an upcoming eyeshadow palette video so you can hear my final thoughts once I get a chance to try it out completely. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.